Hi there, students. Cosh. To cosh as a verb, a cosh as a countable noun. And I guess cosh as well in trigonometry, the hyperbolic cosine of something. I'll put that aside. Okay, a cosh is a truncheon, a blackjack, a stick. Okay, so the policeman had his truncheon and he coshed the criminal. To hit somebody with a cosh, yeah, to cosh somebody, yeah. A large stick, yeah, or large blunt instrument, particularly a truncheon, to hit somebody. Very often a cosh is made of leather and there's metal, there's normally lead in the end, and if you cosh somebody, it will really hurt them. You could have a chemical cosh, something that a chemical that just knocks somebody out completely. To cosh, to strike with a cosh, to hit with a cosh. So a cosh, a short heavy stick made of metal or rubber and used as a weapon. Yeah, he was coshed by the muggers and left unconscious on the ground. Okay, so to cosh somebody, to hit them over the head. Yeah, a cosh is a rather nasty weapon. Yeah, it hits very hard. Yeah, normally it's weighted at the end, but it doesn't have to be. Yeah, the policeman coshed the suspect to keep him under control. I think the American word for this is a blackjack, and I think a cosh is a particularly British word. Let's see, this reminds me of a song by the Sex Pistols with Ronnie Biggs, the great train robber. And the title of the song was Cosh the Driver, which is not very nice because in the great train robbery they coshed the driver of the train and he was severely hurt, and I think he had injury after that. But it's the name of a song by the Sex Pistols as well. Okay, so to cosh, you hit somebody very hard over the head with a large club with a stick. Yeah, to bludgeon them, to cosh them, to strike somebody with a cosh, to hit over the head. Yeah, so cosh. Let's see, this is, I think, formality. What am I going to say? I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. I think use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, I think the origin is actually quite interesting. It comes from Romani, from the word costa, meaning a stick. Okay, so Romani is the language used by the gypsies in the UK. Yeah, but the Romani language. Okay, so the origin is quite good. I think quite interesting. So to cosh somebody, to hit them over the head with a cosh, with a truncheon, with a blackjack. So yeah, not very nice. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A cosh, to cosh.